All right, welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make Chicago-style deep dish. I know what you guys are saying. Brooklyn guys making a Chicago-style pizza? Hey, we love pizza. It doesn't matter what style, as long as it's a quality pizza.
And no pineapple.
No pineapple.
That's right.
All right, let's get cooking. We're going to show you how to make this fantastic pizza.
Looks unbelievable.
All right. We're going to start making the traditional Chicago-style deep dish pizza dough. We're going to use this Ninja here. It's a food processor, basically, because we're adding cold butter to it, and we want to be sure that it gets chopped up really fine. Using this dough mixer here, we typically use this, but a New York style dough. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this yeast dissolved. I got about 5 ounces of water. We're going to make one ball for like a 9 to 10 inch pie, and we're going to go ahead and let that dissolve. And now we're going to go ahead and get the flour here going. I got about, what is that? About 10 ounces of flour here. This is all-purpose flour. I'll have the all the actual ingredients written in the recipe on our website. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add just 4 tablespoons of cold butter. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and let this mix up. All right, now we're going to go ahead and dissolve this yeast. Now we're going to slowly pour it into the Ninja while it's on. Just like a ninja. Quick. Alright. Dough is ready. Now when you're making the dough, sometimes you might be just a little off when it comes to the water or the flour, you know, and it really changes the consistency of the dough dramatically. So you can always adjust it. You know, you can add water if you need to, or flour, but you want to put a little at a time in. And come a little closer, Sean. And this is the consistency that we want with the flour. You want it nice and soft, very well hydrated, but you don't want it to stick to your fingers, though. All right, now we're going to go ahead and roll that up.
Looks like you've done that once or twice.
I did. All right, I'm going to put some oil on the bottom of this bowl here. Just oil it up.
Grease it up.
All right, now we're going to go ahead and cover it up. We're gonna let this rise for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator overnight. It needs at least 24 hours to ferment. So this way, the pizza becomes nice and crispy once you cook it the next day. All right, that's done. All right, we're gonna start up on the pizza sauce now. It's a little different than the New York style. I'll show you how to make it. We're gonna use some olive oil. Probably about just about 4 tablespoons. And I got some finely chopped onion here.
Onions.
The magic spoon. There you go. Thank you, sir. All right, now we got some garlic here. We're gonna press. All right. As soon as those onions cook a little bit, we're going to add the tomatoes. I like using Cento crushed tomatoes for pizza sauce. It's got a great consistency, and it's not very watery like some tomatoes. And it really works well with this recipe because the Chicago-style pizza sauce is kind of thick. Tomato in there, and I didn't get paid for that either from Cento.
We should.
Send us a sponsorship.
Nah, it's a good product.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add some salt. What about a teaspoon of salt in there? About a teaspoon of sugar. A pinch of red pepper, and about a half a teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano. Oh man, it smells good already. Oh no, I didn't put pepper in there. Let me have that. Got the pepper. I got red pepper in there. Let's put a pinch in there. Beautiful. All right. All right, we're gonna let that cook just for about 20 minutes, and then you're gonna stir it up. All right, sauce is ready. Smell that, Sean. Oh man. All right. All right, we'll turn this off. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and place this dough that's been resting for 45 minutes. When you pull it out of the refrigerator, you want to be sure that you let it rest for about 45 minutes because the butter in there is solid and you want it to soften up before you roll it out. It's kind of weird not making a pizza with my hand and using a roller, but that's, I guess you make a pie that way. Okay. You want the pan there is about 9 inches, so you want to stretch the dough about 12 inches.
Can we make an apple pie next?
Yeah. Get a tape measure. Let's see if that's 12 inches. That looks like about 12 inches.
Chef Dom's apple pie.
Now we're gonna put some oil on the bottom of this pan here. Go ahead and spread that all around on the sides so the dough don't stick. Put this in the pan. Perfecto. Now when you place the dough in this pan here, you want to be sure you press from the bottom here to the very top. You don't want any air between the crust and the pan.
Just like a pie.
It'll steam. There we go. I wasn't pressing hard enough. Okay.
All right.
All right, we have crust. We got our crust in place. Now we're going to go ahead and put the mozzarella cheese. It's a blend of provolone and mozzarella. I'm not sure what they do in Chicago, but I really like this combination here. Now we'll go ahead and just, I got about a pound of cheese here. That's one characteristic about the Chicago style pizza. It's got a lot of cheese in it.
Oh yeah.
Press that down. All right. 1 pound of cheese. It's crazy, huh? We got our cheese in there. Now we got our sausage, Italian sausage from Jimmy's. Man.
Best deli in the North Texas.
Yes.
For sure.
You want to go ahead and rip it off piece by piece and just kind of spread it on the whole pie without any spaces. Now, this is going to be a good pizza, and I really like Jimmy's sausage because it's kind of lean. It doesn't have a lot of fat. So there we go. All right,
That looks good.
we got our sausage on there. Now we're going to go ahead and put the sauce, the pizza sauce, on there. Last thing, this is kind of like the way the Detroit style is made. You know, kind of upside down, basically. Cheese first, then the toppings, and then the sauce last. Oh man, it smells good already, huh?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put some Parmesan cheese on top. And now we're ready to bake it. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the 425 oven. I'm gonna let it cook for about 45 minutes, but I'm gonna check it after about 35 minutes. All right, it's been a good 45 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh man, look at that pizza. Oh,
That looks good.
that looks beautiful. Oh man, oh my God, look at that thing.
That looks good.
Oh baby. All right, let's put it up here. Look at that pizza. Oh man. All right, we'll let that cool for about 10 minutes, and then we will cut into it.
This is mine. Back off.
All right, let's check out the crust. Oh yeah, very good. We're gonna cut into this now. It's been 10 minutes. Let's test it out. Oh, ready? Oh man, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Look at that cheese.
I'm going to eat. Give me that pizza.
All right. Oh man, look at that pizza. All right, let's test it out, Dominucci.
Well, I guess this pizza we're gonna have to eat with a fork because
Let's taste it. But it's hot. Man, look at that cheese.
very good. Wow. Awesome.
Definitely a winner. Anyway, I'm going to have the full recipe on our website. There'll be a link in the description below. Anyway, thank you very much for watching,
Take care, everybody.
and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.